In this video, I will show you how to download local send to your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So, if you want to download the local send application, which is an application that is used to send files to nearby devices, and once you install it on your smart TV, this is what you can do. We are going to use an application called Downloader. This is a very easy to use application, and I would recommend you to have this application on your smart TV. What this application does is that it helps you sort files APKs from across the internet that you can install and download to your smart TV. So if you want to have this application, there is a description. There is a description. In the description, there is a video. There is a link to a video that's going to help you install the application onto your smart TV. So once you are here, you're just going to quickly type in local send. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So when you type in local send, please always type in the right keyword, local send. Once you type in a keyword, you are going to click on go. And once you click on go, let's see what is going to happen. Downloader is going to show us various sources on the internet where we can install local send to our smart TV. And as you can see here are they. So there, I'm going to go, you can go any option, but I recommend to go the second option. Once you go and look at the second option, it's going to bring you where you can install the application here. All you have to do is to click on install, and the application is going to be downloaded to your smart TV. You can use it to send files to smartphones, computers, straight from your smart or Android TV. Like and subscribe to this YouTube for more important videos like this.